Today I'm going to teach you how to add a progress bar in ClickUp. This is incredibly useful for tracking task completion at a glance, especially when managing complex projects with multiple deliverables. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your ClickUp workspace where all your projects and tasks are organized. On your main panel, you'll need to locate the Spaces section. Spaces are how ClickUp organizes your different work areas, so find the specific space you want to work in and click to open it. This is where all your projects within that space are housed. Now, select the project you're working with. Once you're inside that project, locate the specific task where you want to add the progress bar. Click on the task to open it, and you'll see all the task details displayed on your screen. Look over to the right side of the task window. You'll notice a plus icon inside a circle. This icon is your gateway to adding custom fields and features to your task. Go ahead and click on it to open the menu of available options. In the search bar that appears, type in progress. This will filter the options and show you the relevant progress tracking fields that ClickUp offers. You'll see 3 different options appear: progress updates, progress auto, and progress manual. Each of these serves a slightly different purpose depending on how you want to track completion. For this example, we'll click on progress auto. This option automatically calculates progress based on the completion of subtasks or checklists, which saves you from having to update it manually every time. Next, you'll need to enter a name for your progress bar. Choose something descriptive that makes sense for your workflow, like task completion or project progress. This helps you identify the field later if you have multiple custom fields. Now look for the section labeled Track Completion of. Here, you'll select an option based on what you prefer to track. You might choose to track subtasks, checklists, or other action items depending on how your task is structured. Make the selection that best fits your needs. After that, you'll see another option called Task Without Action Items. From the drop-down menu, select Display 0% completed. This ensures that tasks without any subtasks or checklists start at 0% rather than showing as incomplete or unmarked. Finally, click the Create button to finalize your progress bar setup. The progress bar will now appear in your task, and it will automatically update as you complete the action items you've set it to track. And there you have it. You've successfully added a progress bar to your ClickUp task, making it much easier to visualize how much work is left and keep your projects on track. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.